What is up, YouTube? This is Zach at Dreamedia Home Theater. If you guys aren't a subscriber already, make sure you smash that subscribe button down below. Today I'm going to be showing you a quick demo of the Denon 1600 in combination with the Klipsch Pro Series in-ceiling speakers, the Pro 18 RCs, and then actually the Pro 180 RPCs in combination with the RP640D and an SPL 120. The ceramic metallic woofers, 90 by 90 tracks of corn, titanium dome tweeter. Really good technology at a really great price point. So I hope you guys enjoyed this demo. Let's get into it. All right, as you come over here, guys, you're gonna hear the dialogue coming out of the center speaker.
I came to take you down, little brother. That's your mistake.
This is the universal remote right here. And again, this is a one button press, just really easy to operate remote. And this is our bass. This is the SPL 120 down here.
Damn, they got a magnet playing? Hold on.
Tell me you're not thinking what I think you're thinking. There's no bridge!
Oh, hell no.
It's going down, guys. You hear all the creaking in the car. All the effects. Oh yeah. Pretty sweet, huh, guys? You gotta love Dolby, you know, decoding all of those different effects and throwing them around the room. You know, you can really get complicated, you know, 36 channel Atmos systems. We do a ton of 13 and 11 channel systems right now, but for a living room space, 5.1 is the way to go. All right, guys, I'm heading out. That is a wrap on the demo of that 5.1 Klipsch Pro system. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video and found it informative and inspirational in making a buying decision. If you would like to purchase, we do guarantee the lowest price with nationwide free shipping on everything we sell. Give us a ring. We'll be happy to find something that fits your needs and budget. We really appreciate y'all's business. All right, well, till next time, this is Zach, Dreamedia Home Theater. Thank you for watching.